Perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect
Minasan, konnichiwa. You must be very familiar with this opening. Okay, introduce myself. My name is Zihan Salsabila. I will tell about my idol, my motivation. You must be curious, right? One day when I was in junior high school, I really idolized an Indonesian YouTuber who managed to get a scholarship to Japan. Yeah, that YouTuber is Jerome Sijabat. Ever since I idolized Jerome, I've also dreamed of the same thing, study in Japan and Disneyland. One time I said to Mama, "Ma, I want to study in Japan like Jerome." And Mama replied, "Wow, that's cool. You can definitely do it. Good luck, girl." And Mama agreed and gave encouragement. Then, when I read the book Mantap Jiwa that Jerome made, it was told from the beginning he had a dream until he arrived at his dream. Turned out, it wasn't as easy as it seemed. Many things had to be sacrificed. Am I ready for all that? Yeah, I have to be ready. There, a quote in Mantap Jiwa. Aku yakin jika Tuhan membuka jalan, Dia akan memperlengkapi bekal untuk kita di jalan tersebut. And that an encouragement for me. And I hope you guys don't give up for your dreams too. Thank you, Jerome, and thank you for all. Alright, this is the end. Let me close the video with a Jerome closing. それじゃあ見てくれてありがとうございました。じゃあまたね。また